In this video, I'm going to show you how you'll be able to transfer money from your phone from Ghana to Nigeria and vice versa. Maybe you're a Ghanaian living in Nigeria, or you're a Nigerian living in Ghana and you want to send money between the two countries, but there is a challenge. Or perhaps maybe you just want to pay for goods and services to Nigeria from Ghana or to Ghana from Nigeria. This video is for you. Watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you 3 ways of how to do this, fail-proof methods. And so without talking and without wasting much of your time, let's just get right into the video. Now for this first method that I'm going to teach you, I've already done a video about it, but then since the time I released that video, there has been quite some changes in the steps, and some people have sent me complaints that it is not working for them. And so I'm just to go over and show you how you'll be able to do it the new way. So let's just get on the phone and let me show you the first step of how to do it. So with this first step, we are just going to utilize the normal *170 for sending money. Make sure you're using MTN because this only works on MTN Ghana. So once you're in, you choose option 1, which is transfer money, and then you are going to choose option 7, which is cross-border payment, which will allow you to send money to Nigeria. Now over here there is bridge and then on Africa, but then I'll choose the bridge. We'll get to the second method very soon. Then over here choose 1, transfer to wallet, and then you're going to see Nigeria here. You click on 1, Nigeria, and then you're going to enter the details of the person you want to send the mobile money to, his phone number. Now let's look at the on Africa as well. So over here is simply that 170 as well, same process as the first one but slightly different. Choose option 1, which is transfer money. So you're going to select 1 for transfer money over here, and then you choose 1, transfer money, 7 for cross-border payments, and then you choose 2 on Africa. Now over here you notice that you can transfer to bank and then you can transfer to wallet. And so if the person doesn't have a MoMo wallet, you can transfer to the bank and then you enter the details. You just need to choose Nigeria and then you are going to enter the transfer to bank or transfer to wallet, and then you choose the country Nigeria and then you proceed with entering the details. Know that this person has to be an MTN user, and then you enter his details, and as simple as that, you are done. Now step number 2 involves using an application called Accrue. Accrue can be found on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Note that this video is not sponsored by any app I have mentioned so far. I'm just doing it just to share knowledge, and so they are not sponsored videos. So you can go to your Play Store or your App Store, download Accrue, and then let's get straight into the steps and see how to send money. So after having successfully downloaded the Accrue app on your phone, you just simply need to launch the Accrue app, and then this is the interface that they give you. Now this is because I've logged in before, but then if you come to this screen, this is how it looks if you are downloading it or opening it for the first time, where you can create an account or login. In my case, I'll choose login, and then I'm going to select the email account which I want to use it to log into Accrue. But then if you've not logged in before, you can just follow the prompts and follow all the questions they ask you, fill in the forms they give you, and as simple as that, you can be able to create an Accrue account for yourself. As you can see, the login process takes quite some time, some delay, at least about 30 seconds to 1 minute. But then once that is done, you get straightforward into the Accrue interface. Now on the Accrue interface, it's very simple and straightforward. As you can see, there's a button here which says send cash. Once you click on send cash, you know that there are a variety of African countries that you can send money to, but then on this case we're going to choose Nigeria, which is the NGN, and then we are going to choose recipients. This is where you add the bank account details of the person you are sending the money to. So the account number, account name, all those informations that are required to you. Then you click on continue, and then over here they are going to send you a verification code to your mail, which you'd have to enter inside the app to verify. So once the verification code arrives, you just need to enter the verification code, the one-time password, and then it says I cannot because I didn't obviously enter any details. But then as simple as that, that is just how you send money from Ghana to Nigeria using the Accrue application. Step number 3 is a little bit complicated, but then hear me out. It's as simple as downloading an app and then following the prompts. Now in this step, we're going to download an app called Gray. Now, just as I said, it is found on both the Play Store and the App Store. Once you download this app, then you follow through the prompts that I'm going to show you in a minute. But then this app works quite differently. So over here on this app, you are going to create a dollar account, a US based account on the app, or any currency like euros or pounds. Mostly we are going to use the US account, and once you create the US account, you'll be able to use that account to send money to other currencies all over the world. And so it's quite complicated, but then watch keenly, you get to understand what I mean. And so let's just get straight into that. And so if you download the Gray app for the first time, this is the interface that you are going to meet, and this quickly tells you some functions of the app and some of the things that you can do using the Gray app. Quickly, you'd want to click on create a new account, and then over here you are going to choose the country that you live in. In my case, I live in Ghana, and so I'm just going to search for Ghana, and then I click on Ghana and I click on continue. It tells me that, remember, I have to confirm my ID for Ghana. I check okay, then I choose between my email and then choosing between my Google account, which I prefer. So over here is going to give me the Google accounts registered on my phone, and then I'm going to choose which one I want to use to register for the Gray app. So once I click on it and I'm certain that it is done, I just need to give it some few moments for it to connect to the servers and then verify the information of the account, and I'll be good to go. From here, you just need to click on agree and continue and give it some few seconds to load, and then you are going to as well provide some additional information as well. Now this is the information that appears on your Ghana card as they appear, so make sure in filling this step you do not misplace any other information. If not, you might suffer for that in the later processes. Your account might not be verified. So just go through this, and then the Gray app allows you to set up a pin for the app so that other people cannot use your app for unauthorized things. So over here, you'd want to go here and then click on send money, and then before you send money, you need to verify your ID. Make sure that your ID is verified. So you have to begin and complete your KYC verification within the app, and then what you're going to do is to fill in the details that they have asked you to provide, and then once you're done, you know that it says here that your account has been verified. So over here, I click on get US bank account, and then I click on yes, this is me. I verify that the information that they have processed or they have put on here is me, and then I'm going to fill on these forms asking me of the job I do, my income, my LinkedIn profile, etc. And then you verify with your Ghana card, and then a selfie verification as well with your LinkedIn profile. And once you're done, you come over here to send money. You can send via bank transfer, mobile money, etc. So as you can see over here, there is USD, GBP, etc. But then if you come here, you click on more, it gives you the chance to select more countries or countries that are not initially there. So let's say I want to send to Nigeria. I just scroll through the list and then locate Nigeria that I want to send to, or simply I can just go to the search bar and then type in Nigeria, and then once I find Nigeria, I see that this is Nigeria that I'm looking for. You confirm whether you want to send in Naira or the USD. I confirm I want to send in Naira. And then over here, what I'm going to do is to input the name and then the account of the person. So over here, as you can see, it shows me a long list of the accounts or banks registered in Nigeria. And then you just need to fill in these details based on the information the person gives you. And as simple as that, you are done. And so as simple as that, that is just how you send money from Ghana to Nigeria or from Nigeria to Ghana. Now, any of the three methods work. So choose which one is most efficient and most convenient for you. You can use the *170 method. You can use the Gray app, and you can also use the Accrue app as well. As simple as that. Just make sure you follow all the steps, and If you have any challenge or if you have any comments, leave them in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe and put us on post notifications so that whenever we drop awesome content like this, you would be notified. My name is Aboki Africa. I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.